The FDA's expected authorization of mixing and matching COVID-19 booster shots is likely to come along with the approval of boosters for the Moderna and Johnson & Johnson shots. Authorities approved a booster for the Pfizer vaccine for many Americans last month. Still, a U.S. health official says the agency is expected to recommend using the same brand of a booster.
We now know that J&J wanes more quickly than the mRNA vaccines, and being able to give more options to patients is important.
There is some evidence that a booster with an mRNA vaccine will provide more benefits for people who received the one-shot Johnson & Johnson. A limited study found that an additional dose of the same Johnson & Johnson vaccine boosted antibodies by 4 times. Boosting the J&J shot with Pfizer caused antibodies to jump 35 times, and a Moderna booster increased antibodies 76 times. Still, some who received the J&J vaccine want to keep the same booster brand.
I'd rather stay with one course and just keep it that way.
Vaccinations are lowering the number of COVID cases nationwide. A CDC analysis released Tuesday showed the Pfizer vaccine is 93% effective at preventing hospitalizations of 12 to 18-year-olds. But cases and hospital admissions are on the rise in 10 states that experience colder climates as more people gravitate indoors.
I really do not want to see another horrific fall-winter wave like we saw last year, and I think it's possible.
Meanwhile, experts want more intense research of new COVID variants. At least 6% of cases in the United Kingdom are what's known as AY4.2, a descendant of Delta. COVID deaths spiked at their highest level since March in the UK. U.S. researchers are also tracking that subvariant.
From the data that I've seen, cases of the AY4.2 have been seen in about 5 states, maybe about 7 cases total.
Scientists seeking to learn if it's more easily spread.
We need to remain vigilant, whether this variant will turn out to be a problem or not. Until this is controlled everywhere in the world, we all remain at risk.
Going forward, a CDC advisory panel will debate and vote on the mixing of vaccine booster shots on Thursday, with the CDC director making her final recommendations shortly after that. Mark Martin, CBN News.